Hello everyone, my name is Manjit Singh and I'm a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. I'm a third year LLB student of Law College. Today I'll be discussing about the topic Ombudsman. An ombudsman is an intermediate person who tries to resolve the complaints one party has raised against other. He is appointed to safeguard citizens against abuse or misuse of administrative power by executive. Generally, the service consumers are made to get benefit from this. It becomes beneficial both uh, to the complainant as well as to the service provider. Ombudsman is derived from a Swedish word that means a grievance person. The root of the word can be traced to Ombudsmor or Ombudsmother. In India, an administrative reform commission was set up in 1966 under the chairmanship of Sri Morarji Desai. A bill for the appointment of Lokpal and one or more Lokyukt was introduced in Parliament in 1968. Lok Sabha passed it in 1969, but it lapsed when the Lok Sabha was dissolved in 1971. Lokpal Bill were introduced in 1985, 1989, 1996, 1989, 2001, 2005 and 2008. Yet they were never passed. The Janata government then introduced a new bill in 1977 and the bill met with the same fate. In 2011, an anti-corruption movement led by the social activist Anna Hazare demanded a stronger Lokpal. Finally, the Lokpal and Lokayukt bill were passed by the Rajya Sabha on 17 December 2013 by Lok Sabha and 18 December 2013 by Rajya Sabha. By Lok Sabha. We'll be discussing about few kinds of ombudsman. Then the first one is banking ombudsman. The banking ombudsman scheme was first introduced in India in 1995 and was revised in 2002 and in 2006. RBI introduced the scheme under the Section 35A of the Banking Regulation Act 1999 in the public interest. It was introduced with the objective to enabling resolution of complaints relating to the certain services rendered by banks. Now let us look over the appointments. The Reserve Bank of India may appoint one or more of its officers in the bank rank of Chief General Manager or General Manager as banking ombudsman to carry out the functions assigned to them or by under the scheme. Now the second one is insurance ombudsman. The institutions of insurance ombudsman was created by the government of India in notification dated 11th November 1998 for the purpose of quick disposal of the grievances of the insured customers and to solve their problem. Insurance ombudsman is of the great importance for the protection of interest of policyholders, and the appointment of insurance ombudsman is done by the governing body of the insurance council issued orders of appointment of the insurance ombudsmen on the recommendation of the committee comprising of chairman IRDA or chairman of LIC, chairman of GIC and a representative of the central government. Now the last one is income tax ombudsman. The institution of income tax ombudsman was set up in the year 2003 to deal with the grievance of public related to the settlement of complaint relating to income tax. In 2019 February, the Union Cabinet decided to abolish institution of ombudsman for income tax and indirect tax. A press release introduced by the cabinet stated that the ombudsman had failed in its objective. The number of new complaints had fallen to a single digit, implying that fewer aggrieved taxpayers were approaching these agencies. Alternative method of grievance redressal are centralized public grievance redressal and monitoring system and Aikar Seva Kendra. Now, after going through all kinds of ombudsman and what's the ombudsman mean, we can conclude that institution of ombudsman have been very effective to the general public as they have got a platform which their grievance had reduction, ombudsmen have enough power vested in them to pass awards and verdicts through which they can resolve the matters of the consumers in time and in cost effective manner. They also safeguards the right of the individuals against maladministration of power or violation of fundamental human rights by the public authority. Thank you. This was all about the ombudsman and the types of ombudsman. When there are many more types of ombudsman, but we have discussed only three. Now please like, subscribe and comment on my videos as well as on my channel. Do comment your questions on the comment box if you have any question with regards to this video, with regards to my previous video. And then lastly, this video doesn't solicit any kinds of promotion as per the guidelines issued by the Bar Council of India, and the sole purpose of this video is for the educational purpose only. Thank you so much.